Fire Eater ensures customized fire protection solutions of the highest quality. Inergen is a sustainable fire suppression solution exclusively consisting of natural elements from the air we breathe. 52% nitrogen, 40% argon and 8% CO2. A blend that extinguishes fire without consequential damage to the protected area, people or the environment. You can choose between two different systems, a single or a multi-zone system, depending on the area or object to be protected. The single system, also called a standalone system, protects one single room, whilst the multi-zone system, also called a directional valve or SV22 system, protects several zones at the same time, with a shared cylinder bank dimensioned to protect the largest zone in the protected area. The standalone system consists of a cylinder with a hand wheel valve, a discharge IVH release valve with pressure gauge for monitoring, a solenoid with electrical activation, as well as hoses, manifold, nozzles and pressure relief dampers. In addition, the system has detection in the form of a smoke detector, control panel, alarm tableau and discharge call point. In the event of an alarm on one of the two detectors, the ventilation in the room ceases immediately, while the alarm is awaited from the second detector in the room. After the activation of the second detector, the system will start a preset countdown. Here, after the solenoid activates and discharges the Inergen system, the Inergen will be released from the IV8 discharge valve and will travel through the discharge hose up to the manifold. Activation of the remaining cylinders will occur through back pressure from the manifold. The Inergen is discharged through a network of pipework to provide a uniform concentration of Inergen throughout the risk. In addition to the components in standalone, the SV22 system consists of a series of zone valves and a SV-CIV starter kit. In the event of an alarm, the SV22 system's first actions follow the same procedure as the standalone system until the Inergen system is activated. Subsequently, the Inergen will be released from the IV8 discharge valve and will travel through the discharge hose. The Inergen will open the relevant SV22 zone valve via the SV-CIV and 6mm stainless connected tube and thereby open the correct zone SV valve. The Inergen is then discharged through a network of pipework to provide a uniform concentration Inergen where there is a fire. It typically takes 40 seconds to extinguish the fire. This is achieved by lowering the oxygen level in the room from 20.9% to between 10 to 14.2%. The Inergen concentration is held within the risk, leaving no chance of further reignition. When the extinguishing is completed, the operation can be resumed without unnecessary downtime and consequential damage to either inventory or the building. And most importantly, Inergen system is completely safe for people. After a fire, the standalone and the SV22 system can be easily restored as well, so that it is ready next time an incident could occur. Fire Eater. No fire, no danger, no damage.